Okay friends, so what I did is I raised the vehicle, I put jack stands underneath the differential tube, and then I lowered the vehicle back down, so it's pretty much taking the weight off of the shock. I have the wheel off because it makes it easier for me to work. You don't necessarily have to remove it. I'm going to remove this bolt right here using a 15 millimeter. After that, I'm going to go up top. I'm just going to take that bolt, just put it in there just a teeny bit just to hold that shock so it doesn't fall. So next we're going to go inside the trunk. You can pull down this little felt panel here. Then you see the upper portion of that shock. Remove this 15 millimeter as well. Now I'm going to grab the shock, remove that bolt, and carefully slide this out. There it is. So once you cut the ribbon off of your shock, it's important to use this cap and then press straight down on this. What this is going to do is it's going to charge the shock. The gases inside need to mix. Every time you do this, this is going to come up a little faster and it's going to get a little bit harder to push down. You need to do this 3 to 5 times. So the next thing we're going to do is take this grommet right here, a little bit of lube. I'm just going to go right along this like that. I'll show you why. You're going to come under here and just help this up into the body of the vehicle. Just like that. So next you're going to take your shock. You're going to put this little metal piece so it's facing up. You've got a cup there. Come in here just like this. If you wanted to, you could put a little bit of lube on that shock as well. I'm going to do it. All right. Grab that shock bolt. Start putting it through. We've got the nut. You get the little flippy-do here. That's going to line up with right there. Start this in. Let's go up top. I've got these 3 pieces left. So I'm going to take this little rubber grommet, go right on top just like that. My cup is going to face down. Then of course you've got your locking nut with the neoprene. The neoprene faces up and away from the shock. Awesome. So now I'm just going to snug this up a little bit. All right. Now I'm going to bottom up the bottom side and then we'll torque these to manufacturer specifications. So to torque the upper mounting nut up there, you're going to need to hold this because it's going to want to spin. Just use some nice locking pliers. Carefully go up along the top here. Lock them in. Now we're going to torque this nut to 30 foot-pounds. There it is right there. Now we're going to bottom out this bolt. Torque this to 85 foot-pounds. Torqued. Let's get this back up in here. We'll lift up on this liner. Should go all the way around. Something nice like that. Perfect. If you remove the wheels, make sure you torque your lug nuts in a crisscross manner to 100 foot-pounds. Torqued.